Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will tell you how to fix Instagram notes not showing problem will be fixed. Follow this step, don't skip video, solve your problem. First of all, open Instagram app and tap on profile icon and tap on right corner three lines and tap on setting and privacy and scroll down and tap on message and story reply and tap on show activity status and show activity status turn on and go back, tap on home, tap on messenger, tap on your notes, solve your problem. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.